How to share in Google Slides. In this sharing option, we want everyone to have an individual copy or their own copy, which Google calls a forced copy. Let's share this document that I haven't shared with anyone yet before. So you can see it's private to only me. What I want to do is go down and get the link. Right now it's restricted. If I click on Change the Link to Maricopa Community College, I will get more options. There's a drop down right here. And I actually want anyone with the link. If I select anyone with the link can edit, as is, anyone who has that link can edit this document. What I'm trying to do is give everyone an individual copy. I'm going to create a text box here and fill it with white just so you can see what I'm going to do with the URL. So I'm going to paste the URL and I'm going to make it larger so you can see. And right now, by the URL, you can see that I'm sharing it, and anyone that I'm sharing it with can edit. To force an individual copy, you actually back up all the way past the word edit to the slash, and instead replace that URL piece with the word copy. Hit enter, and you can see it's now a link. If I copy that link, highlight it, click Control-C, and paste it in a browser, this is the prompt or message I'll get. Copy the document. Would you like to make a copy of lesson planning resources? Yes. And then I would be making an individual copy. The nice thing about this is that each student, say that you were handing out a worksheet or a study guide or learning guide or guided notes, and you wanted each student to have their own individual copy, this is how you would share it with them. Just simply share this link, and they would all be prompted to make their own copy. That way, you're not deploying your original and they're not changing your original. You can also do this in Google Docs. Here is a Google Doc, and if you look at the settings, these are just some resources that I share with students. I've got this shared currently with 2 other people, so I own it, but I've also shared it with my 2 colleagues here, and they are editors on the document. If I want to share this with students, but I don't want them to edit the original, I just want them to have a copy like I was handing it out to them in class, I go down here to the link again, click on the blue Change Link to Maricopa Community College, and then what I really want is this drop-down menu here so that anyone with the link can edit, and I will copy that link. Done. So right now, anyone with the link can edit, so I'm going to actually paste that link here, Control-V. And you can see, again, I'm going to back up and get rid of word sharing because I don't want us to all share the same copy all the way to the word edit and the slash, and I'm going to replace it with the word copy. When I click on this link, you can see it says you are the owner, no changes. Replace this URL with title, you just get that option of the preview option. So if I click on it, again, I will be prompted, would you like to make a copy? It looks just a little bit different in Docs as it does in Slides because I get this preview window, but here is my copy of the resources.